Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Professor T-Rex, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to send your Mon from your Binemon account to your Metamask account and how to send your Mon from your Metamask account to your friend's Binemon account. Alright, so let's start. Okay, first you have to go to Yandex browser and then you just have to type binemon.io. Okay, so this time you have to connect your Metamask wallet. You just have to click connect wallet. And then you just have to, of course, confirm it from the Metamask notification. So click the tab and then just log in your account. Okay, so we are now connected to our wallet. Now this time click sell. And then go to your inventory. Now choose what Mon you want to send to your Metamask account. Okay, let's say I want your mother, Grouching Tiger. Okay, let's have cold. Okay, you just have to click cold. And then you just have to get the token ID. We have here 36848. Okay, take note of that. And then this time you have to go to your Metamask account. Okay, so this time click the NFT tab and then add NFT. Then just type the ID number of your Mon and make sure it's correct. And then just paste the address. Okay, I already have it in the description, so you can just check it out. And then you just have to click add. Okay, just wait for your Mon to be transferred to your Metamask. You can just refresh your wallet. Okay, so we already have our Mon here. This time, I'm going to send one of my Mons to my friend's Binemon account. So let's save this one. Okay, just click send. And then type in the Metamask address of your friend. Okay, then click next. And then confirm next. Okay, so you're going to pay for 0.00044 DRK. Well, that's not that much. Okay, just click send. And wait for the transaction to be successful. Okay, transaction completed. Now this time you can ask your friend if he or she was able to receive the Mon that you've sent. So in my case, I've asked my friend and so far it was a successful transaction. He already got the Mon in his Binemon account. Okay, so that's it guys. That's how easy it is to transfer your Mon from your Binemon to your Metamask and from your Metamask to your friend's Binemon account. So let's enjoy swapping our Binemons. And if you are new to my channel, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye!